if you want to record the screen on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then you need to go to the control center. So swipe on the right side of your phone from the top towards the bottom like so. And then you are looking for this icon over here, this button. It might be, of course, in a different place over here. And if it's missing, then you can go to edit, and then you should be looking for it in the system toggles. So you can tap on it in order to add it to the control center and then press this check. And if you want to, you can also reposition it and place it somewhere else. So let's save it. And now we can press this button in order to open the recording panel, which we can of course move anywhere we wish on the screen. In order to start recording, press this red button, and now you are recording the video. In order to stop, tap on it in order to reveal the stop button and press it, and there we go. We have saved our recording. If you're looking for saved screen recording videos, then you can tap on this folder icon, and there we go. We have everything that we have recorded so far. You can also find the settings, so you can tap on this gear icon in order to open the settings of screen recorder, where you can, for instance, choose the sound source. So here you can choose to record only your microphone or only your system sounds or both. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.